আসসালামু আলাইকুম। ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। কি খবর হিমেল ভাই? Hey yo, it's double OG. It's triple OG. Why triple OG? That's good. That's good. That's good. কেমন আছেন? হাই, এই, এই দিগন্ত, কি খবর? That's good. That's good. Jack, Jack. Very good, Jack. Alhamdulillah, Jack. That's good. So, we are live again. That's so good. After maybe a long time. That's amazing. So we are actually very near close to the this year, this 2025, and we are really welcoming on 2026. That's absolutely just awesome. Just pure, just absolutely loving year. Why? Because we see lots of things in this year. We had lots of experience in this year. So yep, that's good. That's good. Okay. Lots of achievements, lots of knowledge. Yep. So basically, this year actually not gone. That was a lesson that actually made us mature. So, yep, welcome on this live. So, okay, let's try to change the market. Okay, and today I'll try to do trades on like differently. Differently means, first of all, let me actually change my amount. So it will be like $10 trades per trades. So this is like 15 minutes charts, right? And if you observe, it's like what is it, like 5 minutes charts, of course. So 15-minute chart was like uptrend, right? After the retracement, uh, it was pulling back, right? So at this moment, right? So basically, what is this? This is actually what is our sellers level, right? So basically, we'll going to draw a level from all the way up above there. That's good. And yep, that's good. And let me just change the color and little bit opacity. Yep, we'll try to. Yep. So that's basically our what you say like our uh, buyer zone, right? And this will be act as like our sorry that's what seller zone, and this is will be act like as our buyer zone, right? And that's very good. And I'm going to choose all the way over there, right? Okay, so we have done the things what we need to do. Settings or my PC. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? By let me also know. So this is like 1 minute chart, right? And we are actually on buyer's level, right? So actually it got rejected from there, and it made a what is say like uh, gap up, right? So this kind of thing actually fails on this type of gap up. So we choose a down trade from here on my PC. Sure, you can open your PC and take trades if you like. And for that, we'll go to like 5 minute time frame, 5 seconds time frame, and then we'll observe okay how the things is going. Okay, it was a bad trade because of our analysis. So this actually triggers, this actually triggers. That's good. So that actually triggers. Okay, that's good. So will it also going to what it say like respect this? Yep, might be. time and stuff. Okay, your time should be just like this, you know, just like same like this. So it should be on expiry. I trade on expiry. So if you don't know what is the expiry means, so here you do have time. Okay, let me tell you the settings. So here you do have time. Okay, so here you can set time, multiple time frames of your trades, like 3 seconds, 15, all the way to 4 hour trades. Okay, if you choose this, that means 60 seconds the trade will happen. Okay, and if you choose like what is it like expiry, okay, so you will set like on the candle close basically. Okay, so yep, that's the thing. And if you choose here like what is it like this, that means you are going to trade on amount. And if you are like say choose this, that means you are taking percentage of it. So $12 is like 0.83 cent percent of my total capital, right? So yep, so I'm not going to choose like this, and I'm going to choose like this. Okay, so it's like $12, $10 per trades, right? So yep, it's going higher, right? And it's on like seller's level, right? So basically it will try to break it, right? And with a gap up, and here also we did have a gap up. So I don't trust this kind of gap up because okay, let's take a trade for down trades. And as you know that our first trade was like what it say like it was oppositely correct. So it's like zone. So like whole zone. We need to really we need to curve it. You know, we need to curve that. We need to minimize it, right? And it will be like narrow line. So let me teach you how you can draw narrow line, right? So it will be like just like this. You see, it came all the way down here, and then it actually, what you say, moving up. You see, it was going down, and then it actually uh, went up. Maybe there was some buyers in there that might also trigger. Yep. So basically, to trace loss, and that's okay. We're going to recover it till end. Stay with us and see what we do. So this basically makes what you say like a gap down in there, and there we do have rejection. It didn't able to make a high, right? So that means that the sellers are interested, but you know they will not enter immediately. Okay, because the trend was 15 minutes trend was like uptrend, right? This was like 15 minutes trend, right? And it was clearly an uptrend, right? So yep, that's why. Okay, so we should go on like minute one. Hey brothers, if you are watching this live, make a live, do comments, and what is it like? Do a like. Okay. So yep, that has the rejections that made the final high. So I'll place two trades. You can place simply on there on McDonald's OTC. I'll place one more trade. Okay, that's good. And I'll try to you see observe on like 5 seconds. Okay, don't worry, it will make a bullish candle. Yep, and then it will should fall. Yep, so it's falling. Remember, as a trader, loss is a part of your business. Okay, that's expenses. Okay, so yep, all losses have been recovered, and it's profit. Let me know in comment that you made profit or not. It's on live stream of real time charts, right? So yep, হিমেল ভাই and দিগন্ত কই গেল? So okay, it made a bearish candle. So we expected a bearish candle in there, right? and it didn't able to make. And yep, this happens sometimes. This happens sometimes. So it has like lots of rejections. So I'll try to change the market. I'll try to change the market and see, because the market here is actually sideways, and here is also too. It's not trending anywhere. Net issue. Okay, so Netflix OTC on the next candle, I'm going for buy. Okay, okay. I place here a buy trade because if you observe why I took this trade, because here we do meet a trend line. Let me just draw that for you. Okay, so it's like a trend line, right? And I think it will not gonna react immediately, but this has like very good structure to able to make. You see, maybe on the last second it's on reacting. Yeah, we do have like 1 seconds left and profit. That's good. You should also make profit in there. So let me know that you made profit or not. And yep, that's the thing, man. So yep, that was a good trade because this is a trend line and it made a good structure. And good structure means it made a higher high, right? It made a structural high in there, right? And on the candle wise, it also made higher highs, right? So yeah, we do have possibilities in there to go for uptrade. That's good. That's good, my boy. That's good. So let me just for your knowledge, let me also include this is Digal Shah. This is my younger brother. Uh, my very lovely younger brother. So yesterday maybe I called him and take, took two trades on live on and it was profit, right, Diganto? Yep, I'm your bye bye. Don't call me sir. That's over. Okay, so yep, act like we are like brothers. So yep, this made a high actually. You see, this is making lower low. Sorry, this is making lower lows, right? And if this kind of lower low happens in this kind of uptrend, basically this suggests that it also might wants to fail, right? But we need very good confirmation in order to go for up, and that's the thing. Is it has like lots of rejections. Yep, and this made a high, right? This is like a continuations type of candle, right? This type of continuations type of candle. So that doesn't mean that it wants to go higher, basically instantly. And I'm observing on like this weeks, whole weeks. This is like wholly a buyer zone. So you can go here for up, and yep, one trade is good because my balance is like 1,200. So don't no need to risk that much. And let's observe. See that the continuation type candle actually got rejected, and then again it's trying to continuation. See that this is kind of thing. But I was observing on like here. So after the next candle, we'll go for again up. Okay, we are still on like what is say like yep. I'll go for two trades like martingale. So yep, that's basically went actually up and then actually it falls down. That means here the buyers are existing in here. This like Netflix OTC, it made a movie on there, right? Okay, so it's going down, but don't worry, it will going to be win even on the last seconds. Let's see, because until the candle close, we can't say anything about it because it was going up and then it suddenly moved down. Yep, it's actually reacting out with the round numbers. Yep, trade score unprofitable. That's good. Yep. We are not now going with any kind of trends or any kind of thing because it's rejecting, it's rejecting. Let's change this pair. Okay, let's observe and then I'll try to place my trade after this candle. Okay, so let's observe and then try to take trades. See, the rejections still happening in the markets. Yep, the trend is down, and here we are seeing like a what is it like a gap down, right? So yep, we need some good entry points in order to take some trades. Yep, this is actually like a sideway market, absolutely for sure. Yep, let's see. And there was a like buyers on that from that round number, right? See, on the last seconds is actually reacting. Give me a minute. Let me come back a bit. It's okay. Thank you for waiting. So that's the kind of thing. It's like clearly a downtrend. Absolutely, clearly downtrend. And we are looking for confirmations. That's it. That's the thing we are looking for. Yep. It's like going like sideways. Give me a minute. Hold on a bit. Thanks for your waiting. Hold on a bit. Uh, okay. Johnson and Johnson OTC will go for up. So it's like four trades. You can enter from there also too. So I'll place like five trades. Yep. So it's on like our bias level, right? Okay. It's absolutely like a buyer's level. It's like making lower lows. And it's getting reject retracement. So that's why I took this trade. I placed like $50. Yep. Oh, নেটে সমস্যা হবে and it's a profit. But it's like, did you make profit? That's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is again like in our buyer's level, right? And you know, this is like a structure to getting a fail, right? So this will fail, this should must should fail. Let's see, it will break, then we'll try to enter. So it's like a long candle. See, lots of pressure in it. Basically, this is kind of telling that okay, the market has just broke our what is it like discount zone, right? If the price gets like on here, right, we'll go for buy and a place like 48 to compounding. That's good. So it's like break. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, it's a long bullish candle with the rejections above from above there, right? On the next candle, I'll go for sale. Okay, yep, you can go for sale. And the chart is out like 5 seconds. That's good. It's McDonald's OTC. Okay, price just hit on our buyer's level, right? You see, it's getting kind of rejections from there. That's good. Yep, we still like have like 10 seconds left. No, my net is actually striking. Hey brother, assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. চিনতে পারছি ইফতেখার, আমি চিনতে পারছি তোমাকে। ওকে, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, প্রফিট। সো দিগন্ত কি খবর? It's good. It's good. দিগন্ত ট্রেড নিছিলা? ট্রেড নিছো? Bro, continue live $50 to 1,500. Buy. পাগল হয়ে গেছে. Okay, let's try. I can do a try. Okay, I've made like $10, $12, 6,000. Let's give it a try. But this is like what you say. Okay, I'll go for here up. Okay, so it will be like two steps. Okay, or like three steps. Yep. Okay, you get like more better entry. আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, সেটা ভালো. So it's like gap down, this kind of gap down suggests only one thing, that the price wants to react or up. Let's see. Because the new year actually coming, so lots of traders are inactive, and that's why the market gets like very slow. Like see lots of what to say, like wood type candle. It's like 5 seconds left. I think this trade going to be unprofitable. Yup, that's good. Gap down in idle. Sometimes gap down doesn't mean that it wants to, like what it say, like go down. See on like this candle. So this is like what you say, like our discounts. So I'll place like so my $92 was loss. So yep. You see, sometimes gap down doesn't mean that it wants to go down. Absolutely not. Eh, you know, because this is like end of the year. So that's why it gets like lots of volatility and what you say, like no way it's going. See, like no way it's going. So it's like 5 seconds left. Okay. So what will you say about this? This was a bullish candle after even make a like what you say, like gap down, right? So yep, this happens. So this suggests only one thing, that uh, the price are actually wants to go higher, but we need some good, or what do you say, like good entry points, right? Good like buyer's zone or seller's zone. Let's change the pair. So it's like what will be like 52, like 600. It would be like three step of compounding maybe. Yep. So that is like three step of compounding. Okay. Three step to 52, 5, 600. Love from Pakistan. Hey, damn, damn. That's good. Love you too, brother. Love you too. Love you too. So this market is like like lots of congestions in there. Like let me just draw that for you. So it's like horizontal line would be here, and let me draw another one. Okay, that's good. So it is like this, and it is like this. Yep. So it's trying to breaking it, right? It's lots of pressure in it, right? So if this kind of candle break, what can we expect? A bullish candle, right? But because of this pressure, we can't actually go immediately with this kind of candle, you know. So yep, that will go lower, and then after this candle, we'll going to take trades basically. So it's like going down and up. So yep. Now you might argue that why it's going down, because it has like lots of pressure above from it. So yep, that's why it's going down. Yep. See the kind of power in this from. It looked like the support acted like a resistance. You see, the support, it was a support, and it acted like a resistance from there. So yep. So I'm not also going to take a trade on these candles too, because this is kind of happens in markets. I'm not going to take trades in there too. That's good. Hey brother, if you just join like the live stream, that's good. That's good. Okay. So it's like going up from there, right? Because why? Because yep, it might also reacted from there. So it's still acting like a support, sorry, resistance, right? So it will going to try to break it. You know, yeah. See, the last second it made a like a little bit, what is it, like doji candles. See, the sellers are actually there. If you took the trade, you will be lucky. You have to rely on luck, and I don't believe in luck, because lucky isn't option in trading. You are in business, you are in trading. You should be like, yeah, I'm doing business. I'm doing something good. Okay, treat like a business. Your responsibility is your job. That's it. Okay, the responsibility of getting every day active in the markets. That's your responsibility. So after this candle, I might took the trade. Okay, so get ready. After this candle, we'll go for up, and that's for sure. And I'll place like $100, and that's good. Okay, okay. Little bit late entry, little bit late entry, but that's good. So the pressure still are coming. Pressure are still active from the seller side, but we took a very good trade, and let's see. So it's like American Express OTC, and after this candle close, trend respect or breakout trend. No, it will not going to respect the trend immediately. See, like still I can say like on 13 seconds our trade was like profitable, even on the 9 seconds, but it should be win on the last seconds. Yep, profit for everyone. That's good. So 192 would be right now. So it has like rejections. It has some, what is it, like reactions from the sellers. I think that's win for you also. Okay. Oh my God. I forgot display. Hold on a bit. I know it should be like, yeah. Now it should be like crystal clear for you. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Yep. Right now it's crystal clear. So it's like a long bullish candle. Like it's like a retracements, right? Isn't it? It's like a retracement. It's broke our, what is it, like resistance, which was acted before, right? So you might think that, yep, let's act it like it a support and then take a trade for upper, but that's not going to happen immediately. That's not going to happen immediately. That's not going to happen immediately. You will see it's like 50-50 chances on like getting doing trades in this months. Okay, so yep, but after this candle I might took a trade. Okay, Boys, let's ready because we are on after this candle. We might do a trade. Just wait for my confirmations. So it's like still gap down, but I don't like this kind of gap down. I was just looking for the opening, but opening was like gap down. So I don't believe in this kind of trades because sometimes it can go up and it can like move immediately down from this kind of scenario because yeah we are in the middle of the like what is it like sideways trend, and yep, it might react. Okay, and this also we can this pressure also could react, so you don't know where it's like going. So yep, I told you I'm gonna go for like currencies. Let's see how the currency is actually doing. It's okay, it's like more painful. Okay, so okay, this trade is like good. So last candle made a what is it like low, and then we are like going up, right? And it has like gap up. That's good. So we'll go for up from here. Okay, so it's like odd NJT OTC. I have placed like $192, and okay, that's good. Just see on even on the last seconds. So it's like still like on like 30 seconds left. Yep, it's like 20 seconds left. Wow, it should go all the way above there. Doesn't have that kind of pressure. Okay, so it was a like what is say like bad trades. That's good. So it should make like here it's if we are like what to say like if we are taking this trade on like what is it like after like this January 3, it would be like a clearly win trades, and here it should see up trades. But the right now market is not very that much good in order to take trades. So okay, let's start with like this. Okay, after the next candle, we'll go for up. Okay, because here we can see some buyers which are activated actually in there. Okay, so place like $100 trade, and let's see. Okay, yep, the VIX is optimal. That's good. Still, it's on like buyer zone, right? So here's the buyer zone started like it's all the way old area, right? It's like getting power from above and like then like pushing it down. Damn, that's very good. So it's like 4 seconds left. Yep, another unprofitable trade. So that's good. Ah, this is the type of thing you should be practice also. Okay, okay. It's like BHTCNY. Okay, we'll go for up. Okay, so it's BHTCNI OTC. I'll place two trades. Okay, so yep. Okay, and let's wait. So it's like I've reached like yep, good amounts. The last year, last month of this year, so like no traders are actually active. If this kind of scenario happened with like what did it say, like I just stopped your VIPs ultras of like sessions from today. Okay, that's good. Just like going up from here to need that. So lots of pressure from there. Okay, we'll go for up from here. Okay, little bit late entry, but you get like good entry points from there. Hold on. So I place like $200. Yep, let's see. BHTC on YOTC. Yep. So what would be the amount of like $200? So it's like 384. Yep, I'm going to reach that, but this should win actually. Then I could mix. Otherwise, it's not. 25 seconds left. Yep, profit. That's good. Yep, for you also profit. Okay, let me just change the pair and just took some trades. Okay, so it's like seller's zone, right? Every time he tries to break that, right? But he actually fails, right? And yeah, it has like that kind of efficiency to break that, break this zone. So yep, we need to be cautious. Yep, just need to be cautious because after the second attempt, we actually basically failed two times. So that's why I'm very cautious about this trades, about my trades for sure. Yep, and that's good. That's good for it. It's like CHF knock. It's like long candle. So yep, I'm going for up CHF knock OTC. That's a good entry point, and yep, that's good. Just see. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Alaikum assalam. CHF knock OTC for up, and you will see the last seconds even on the it has like it into rejections from there. Yeah, it made a candle, but don't get worried. It will gonna reverse. Alaikum assalam. তেরি মাদার চোদ করছে কি হালাই আমার লাস্টে সেকেন্ড সে এগেইন পুরো পাঁচটা দিছে this gap down suggests only one thing, it gets wider, so it's really going to be down. Like করছেটা কি পাঁচশোতে আমার এন্ট্রি পয়েন্টটা পুরো ভোগা মেরে দিছে আমার দেওয়া I need to choose like $100 না $100 50 $600 এসে রিক্স হয়ে যায় stay with me let me just recover all of your losses okay I'm trying to compounding and the second step got failed every time because the participants are actually lower at this time because we are near close to the new year the participants gets actually lower. No, I'm not. I'm not going to place trades immediately because you know, yep, this is the like results. We are like failing after like one session, one or two trades. Yep, on like next steps we are like falling. So yep, I'm not going to place trades immediately after this kind of scenario. Then go for up from there. And why I go for up? Because that has a reason. Because this is like our whole buyer zone. This let acted on yep rejecting from the what it say like the round numbers it should become bullish candle even on the last seconds the rejection is real let's see on like 15 seconds 5 seconds it was trying to get up but it actually failed yup that's like cool it's like gap down like lost kind of gap down in this kind of scenario actually you can't tell that actually where you can get heavy like shoe shots because it's not about our capabilities it's all about like markets like at this year at this month of the trading career you get the most losses that's one thing for sure okay yep and if I like made like what will be the lot like 1200 let's say I wipe out the amount what will be I made 4k profit on live I made 5k, 6k profit online. Yep, that's it. So you can't actually blame me because of having like bad markets. So I'll go for up from here. This candle has like lots of pressure in this. So yep, you see the candle actually reverse on the like like from anywhere. Salam, brother Ashkan. Assalamu alaikum, alaikum assalam, assalamu alaikum. That's actually a bad trade. If I get like this is kind of trade I do like. This is like gap down. Yep, $150, one $200 would be leaks here for up. Yep, I like this. Yep, so it's like $200. CHFJPY profit. That's good. So I'll actually hand on myself like $500 and I'll actually try to take trades on like 140, 184, right? And that's it. And the reason is very simple, we can have here like a trend line from here. That's it. And basically, if you see like candle wise, it's like it's getting weak. So yep, we need to be very very much cautious about our trades from now. Okay, I'll go for up from here. Perfect trend, the line trades. Yep, yep. Again, we might going to fall on the next trade. Bancho, bancho तो हमारे इसका प्यारा नहीं था bancho तीसरा number trading है. So yep, like 2 seconds. Yep, profit. That was yep. There was like maybe 1 points. It's win, brother. Yep, it's win because you got it's like you got like more good entry points better than me. So yep, so it's like 353, 353. That's good. Okay, okay. So this is like gap up, right? So this kind of gap up actually gives us pain. I have made like very decent amount. If it goes green for me, another up. If it goes green, go up for another up. Then for shoe shorts, where will you take the shoe shorts? Like literally, where will you take the shoe shorts? Because the market right now it's like December in the it's like crazy. It's like crazy. Even on the daytime, even on the night time, it's every time. It's like why is this happen? Because you might ask that okay, this is maybe because of the trader are participating, but in reality, the trader are not participating in here. No, OTC is predictable, but the timing. The timing is very important. The timing is important. Why the timing is important? Because yep, that's the thing. The timing is very important. So after this candle, we will go for up. Okay, and hold on a bit. So rejecting. Okay, got a good entry point. That's for sure. Shoe shot up. No, you can't say two shots. I say like this is like 50-50 chances to go up. Trust me, it has like 49. After I placed my trade, I'm just shocked why I took that trade. And I'm thinking for again, if it then goes again up, I'll thinking for sale actually. So I'll basically try to actually sell from there. It will going down, you know. Yeah, that's for sure. Good margin. It's not good margin. It's like bad trade. It's like bad trade. If it gets win, it will be like unlike like fantasy. This trade is going to be unprofitable. That's for sure. I know this trade. I know this. This is like, yep, I know it. I told you. Pressure is strong. No, pressure is strong. No, pressure is strong. I know this kind of. Yep. Right now we can go for up. Yep, it's a good margin. So it's like 147, and I'm still on like, yep, the pressure is cooking, but not on this trade, not on these candles too. Even on the last second, it made a bearish candle for sure. Yep, I knew it. I knew that. I knew that. Yep, this is a sure shots for me. So just like two trades. This will be a sure shots. Okay, trust me, this will be a sure shots. I can put like more $10 from here. This will be a sure shots for sure. Just see, this will be 100% sure shots. Okay, continue downtrend. No, this candle will be up because we are actually hitting right now on the trend on like bias zone. So that's why I knew this trade. I knew that trade. I knew that trade. And it's pain. Oh, तेरी पांचो उसको punishment होती है ना हमारे उसको punishment भी सर. Yup, उसके ভালো punishment দিছে আমাকে. It's like $23. It's like the most disgusting life you have ever seen. But this happens. If you're a trader, this happens. Yep. If I lost, if you also lost, I made also loss. Yep. It's on live. It's on live. But that's good. That's good. This is part of training. But we made some mistakes. We literally made some mistakes. And I told you VIP Ultras member that yep, uh, till like what it say, till January we will not going to take any trades. Uh, why look, try to understand that this is like what it say. This is like our uh, why I took that trade for up, okay, and why it actually failed. Okay, let me explain. Because look, this is like what? This is like a gap up, right? So this acted like a support. Remember that this acted like a support. So here it should reject and make it, even if it get like worse than worse, it should make a bearish but a weak candle. Okay, how can this zone can be like literally it's like more strong? ওই গেল রে পাঁচকটা, এই যে. How can this zone can like become a very strong? This like absolutely has like no sense. It has like absolutely no sense to go what is it like react like this much. Like absolutely no sense. Trust me, this has like absolutely no sense to go up, but it's going down. Like it has look absolutely no sense. Now go up for shoe shots. Come on, man. Don't be like this. I don't want to take trades. Yep. I'm not here to become a psychopath just taking trades. Yep. Okay. Just don't make it like 0-0. Okay. That's bad for trading. Okay. That's bad. Okay. So I'll not say that this is kind of like bad trades. I'll say like it's like bad timing. Of course, for sure. Okay. You are telling people that okay, it's now going up for shoe shots. Okay, no. What will you answer like this, Arshal? What will you answer for this? Okay, let me. So, what will you say about this? So, yeah. So, try to study. Try to study the market. That's the good thing. Yep, I made a loss today. I will recover it, or like from again. But this gives pain. But it has like absolutely no way. Okay, I'll place one last trade for up. Yep, that's for sure. And this will be a shoe shorts. Okay, but it has like this sense has like no sense to going down. This has like no sense to going that this kind of down. What was that? Because that was our timing. Now you will excuse yourself like okay, this was a round number. You were wrong. Yep, yep, I am wrong. Yep, you might think, but the timing is wrong. I can say about like I'm wrong. Trade on Sunday. No, that's not about Sundays or Mondays or something like that. Let me tell you, market man. No, that's not kind of thing. Let me tell you the honest truth. What is happening right now in the market? So this is like end of the. This is like 28 September. Sorry, December 28 December. So on like 28 December, what you can expect? Like no participants. Everyone are doing their partying. The trades are basically closed. The trading floor is closed, so basically the traders are inactive. That's why when they get order they like place go down there. Maybe maybe someone actually put here like very good amount of orders. That's why the market is actually pushing down, right? Yeah, this happens. Market manipulations, no. This month, but this month I made like $10 to like what it say to $6,000. I have proof of that. I have proof of that, and I made video of that this month. But after like 25 December, this shit getting crazy. Let me just show you from my Telegram. So yep, this is like ultra, like like look. I told them like okay, this message is for you, ultra. Okay, this was maybe not. Yep, this ones. So good morning. Till next year, I won't do any trades. Be safe. I'll do updates too. This is what happens when I actually tell them and not following them as a mentor. And yep, this happens. I told like Monday, sorry, like morning, like 11:20. I told them that this year I won't take trades, but this happens. No need to be upset. It's no need to be upset. We're going to be recovered. You don't know what is actually happening in this market. Literally, I don't know. It just like gap up. Will now say okay, it's going to be up, but you don't know literally. So this is like a swing low. Why I will recover? But the pain is actually uh what you say? Like I actually told them, you know, $1,200 is like not that much, but of course, I actually break my rules. Yep, actually break my rules. I told them that okay, don't take trades. And basically, as a mentor, I didn't follow my terms. And this actually happens. I should stop. But from my pain, you can actually, from my lessons, you can actually learn lots of things that you should obey your rules. Basically, I got lost because of I just broke my rules. Okay, I'll place a upgrade for here on the next candle. With of course was safe margin. So it's like Euro CHF OTC. Okay, so place like $10. Okay. Yes, of course I made a rule. Wait, I'll not take a no, but it's not Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Yeah, if you have made rules, just try to follow them. Okay. Yep. And in Ultra, I made a rule. Like the rules is maybe if you drink alcohol or something like weed, something like that, you can't actually trade till Monday. Okay. So it should be you should drink on like Thursday night and then till Monday, no trades. That's it. Yep. It made a like long bullish candle. What will happen? Yep. 1910. It's haram. Yep, it's haram. Lots of things are haram and halal. I don't want to put my step on that. Like what is haram and what is halal. Because it's yeah, we should follow. We should follow the religion, like every bit of it. Okay, so I'll place a buy trades. Okay, it's like 36. Even on that day I made loss like 4K online. Like it's like yup, it was like yup, it happens. No problem. We'll actually what to say recover on another day for sure. For sure. It's like 5 seconds left. At least my live is not like pre-recorded. So yep. ইমেল ভাই আছে? ইমেল ভাই আছেন আপনি? Go buy yourself. Okay, I am not going to buy in here. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You just made buy. I just do place sell trades, and I will definitely gonna win. You have pattern for that. Okay, that's for you. But I do follow my pattern. Now you'll say go for down, and I'll go for up, but not immediately. Okay, that's good. Late entry percentage. Yep, just like doji spawn bearish candle. So yep, and thanks for watching. And yep, we made loss of like $1,200, and that's good. We're gonna recover it. So don't get smile because that won't last. Yep. So that was that lot my mistakes, but absolutely for like timing was bad. Have a bad day. No, it's not like a bad day. It's like bad timing. I don't actually accept your opinion. No, absolutely not. It's not bad day. It's like bad timing. Yep, for sure. At least you can actually go for search on like Pocket Options Live, and you will see like lots of pre-recorded videos. At least I'm live. Okay, my every live was recorded. No live delayed. Yep, I made loss, I recover. So it's not like it's not my on my capabilities. You will question, you will raise questions. If you like raise questions about my capabilities, you should also watch this. Basically, I just broke my rules on today. I told them, uh, basically not to take trades, and yep, that's good. It's not bad. It's not absolutely not bad. Yep, it's not like bad timing. So thank you for watching and have a good day. And I accept again that I made loss like $1,200 on live, and it's for bad timing, and I'm gonna recover it for sure. That's absolutely for sure. Okay, that's my promise. No, I don't actually overtrade. It's like my bad timing. You know, inshallah. Of course, that's my brother. That's it. That's good. Bye bye. And stay safe. And yep, Happy New Year. That's it.